Tonight at the Women in the West event, I learnt about trying to turn nerves into excitement, and my real takeaway on that was, like, I am proud of my business. I do have a lot to say, so it's more important to get my message out there than to let fear overcome me.
My key takeaways from today's workshop was the importance of telling stories and how powerful they are, because Kerry told a story right at the start. It was very powerful.
I think women try to inspire women, women try to empower women, whereas when you've got a mixed event, women don't unload, like they're not themselves, they don't relax enough.
Just hearing when we were sharing, each of the women were sharing their stories and their vulnerabilities, the support in the room was phenomenal. You could feel it, but you could also see it. And you could hear it through people applauding and responding in a really positive way.
It was a really comfortable environment tonight. It was really friendly. I learnt a lot in a supportive environment.